If you want to buy Bitcoins on PayPal but not sure how, then this video is for you. Today in this video, we'll be guiding you through buying Bitcoin using PayPal on mobile app. Right now, you can see PayPal balance at the top of the screen and a separate crypto balance, which is currently 0. To start, head to the Finance tab at the bottom of the screen. At the top of the screen, you'll find your balance, any savings you may have, and your crypto balance. PayPal now offers options for buying various cryptocurrencies, including this stablecoin like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash. To make a purchase, you'll generally use a PayPal balance, which you can easily transfer from your bank. Let's go to the Crypto tab and select Buy. Next, choose the cryptocurrency you are interested in. We'll go with the Bitcoin for this demonstration. A quick note, PayPal doesn't offer the best rates compared to some other platforms, so you might lose a bit in fees. For this example, we are going to purchase just $1 Bitcoin. Now, let it confirm the transaction using our balance. It shows the receive with a small amount of Bitcoin at a slightly lower rate than the market price. Additionally, there is a transaction fee of 49 cents, so we'll be paying more on small amounts. Once you've confirmed, the app will congratulate you on your purchase, and PayPal can even notify you if the price changes by 5% or more. But for now, we'll skip that. Now, you'll see the updated crypto balance, and we can choose to buy more, sell, or even send this Bitcoin to another wallet. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more.